Redmi Note 7 was introduced just 2 days ago, but the official announcement missed to mention an important feature: the ports and buttons have watertight seals. Xiaomi's CEO, Lei Jun, took the time to boast about the phone's build quality on Weibo. He says that the engineering team put a lot of effort to design watertight seals for all the weak points of the handset: the SIM card tray, USB-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, the buttons, and you can even find some around the camera module. Moreover, there's a membrane on the loudspeaker as well. Despite the low price tag of the handset, Lei Jun says it has gone through the same quality tests as Xiaomi's flagship models. To prove it, the company is extending the standard warranty period of 12 months up to 18 months in China. Of course, the Redmi Note 7 isn't IP certified, but it will probably withstand some splashes, accidental drops in water and everyday use in a moderate dusty environment. We hope it steps out of China soon enough.